In this first problem, we are going to be solving by factoring because we have x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. It's already set equal to 0 for me. I can't solve by the square root method just because I don't have just this x squared. I still have this x here. So the easiest way is for me to factor this down. In this one, I don't have to do the pyramid. I only have just an x squared. I don't have anything in front of it. So I'm going to factor this down, x and x. Then I ask myself, what times what gives me negative 6? That adds up to negative 1, a negative 3, and a positive 2. Now that I've factored, I'm going to set each of these equal to 0 and solve. Therefore, I add the 3, I get a positive 3. I subtract the 2, I get a negative 2. Therefore, we get 3 and negative 2, which is A. This second equation, the easiest way to solve this would be through solving by squares, or the square root method, because I have square here. So for me to get rid of that squared, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. I take the square root of both sides, that cancels that out, so I'm left with x minus 3. On this side, when I take the square root of 16, it's going to be plus or minus 4. Don't forget your plus or minus 4. And then I need to get this x by itself, so I add the 3 to the other side. So I get a 3, we always put it in the front, plus or minus 4. Now I can solve this, so we need to solve it. So we have two equations here. 3 plus 4, which is 7. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So our two answers are 7 and negative 1, which is choice B.